Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a super quick overview of how QuickBooks Online works and why it's one of the best tools for small businesses, freelancers, or anybody just trying to manage their money. So once you log in, this is QuickBooks dashboard. This gives you a super quick snapshot of your business. You'll see things like your bank accounts, profit and loss, expenses, invoices, obviously your cash flow trends, any kind of shortcuts or any kind of task open. There's a planner tab as well. So if you want to see anything that you're planning as far as your cash flow or any kind of books or anything that you're planning to do, it's going to be right here on the planner tab. Pretty simple, pretty basic. I mean, this whole setup is pretty basic. This is a sample company right here. So these are going to give you some nice numbers and kind of an example of how your QuickBooks should look like. So this is really nice about that part. So kind of the main thing you're going to probably be in is this transaction tab right here. Um, there's bank transactions right here. So you can see your, different accounts. So this is a checking account. Then you got your savings. You just switch easily. So MasterCard, if you have a credit card, obviously checking account, and then you can also click as well these little tabs here, and it tells you what needs to be done or reconciled. And it's nice because it categorizes everything, money out, rules, all that, transfers. This right here is kind of one of my favorite tabs because this is a app. So basically, it connects your channels. So let's say if somebody has a Shopify account, eBay, or Amazon Business, whatever you have, it kind of just it's easily because it imports all the transactions from Shopify or eBay, and it kind of reduces like a manual work. So also this is your receipt tab. So you upload your receipts here, pretty easy. Reconcile your accounts here, create any rules, chart of accounts right here. So it's very easy, intuitive. I'm a QuickBooks Pro advisor. So basically, if you need any help with your bookkeeping, check with the link down below. I got a website and gives you kind of like the packages. I'm pretty transparent how much I charge. You can also just schedule a call with me. We can talk about it. If you're very small, I definitely work with people and just different clients, businesses that just are starting out and don't have a lot to upfront costs. So just let me know, guys. But this is the sales tab. This right here is all your sales. Basically, this is a dashboard for your sales. Invoices, you can invoices, create invoices depending on the QuickBooks subscription. And this is like I said, you can connect your channels here. Very simple, very easy. I'm showing you guys this because I do want to show you how easy it is to use QuickBooks. But at the same time, if you guys need help with your bookkeeping, let me know, guys. Let me know. Like I said, pin it. I got the website down below. You can schedule a call, very easy. And we can kind of get cracking there. But expenses. This is your expenses tab. There's so much things you can do, honestly, on QuickBooks. What I provide is simple bookkeeping. I'm not trying to make it complicated. I try not to make it complicated. So if you need help with just simple bookkeeping, let me know. Reports. So this is where you're gonna find your different type of reports needed. Your balance sheet, your income statement, your statement of cash flows, all that. And then obviously, if you are doing payroll, personally, I do not do payroll. I just try to stay away from it. So I just do simple bookkeeping. So like I said, guys, if you need bookkeeping, let me know. But that's kind of like an overview of um, QuickBooks in general. It's very easy. You just hit this plus new button. If you're ever stuck and you don't know where you're going, you're like, oh, how do I get back? You hit this new button, and basically, if you want to create an invoice, if you want to see payroll, deposit, what's called bank deposit, create a journal entry, whatever you need, you just hit this plus new, and basically it gives you all the options that you would need if you would want to go into any of these tabs as well here. Also, there is a help button as well. So like I said, QuickBooks is pretty easy to understand in my opinion. But like I said, if you guys need help, let me know. And if you guys don't want to worry about this and you guys just want to worry about, making money, then leave it to me. You know what I mean? Like I said, guys, comment down below if you guys need help, or if you guys just want. In the description, I have a website to my I have a link to my website where I'm going to show you guys different type packages that I offer. And like I said, I'm not very complicated. I'm pretty simple. I try not to complicate anything. So make sure you guys schedule, a video call with me or just a regular call, whatever you guys prefer, and we can talk about it. I appreciate you guys coming in and watching my video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos like this and just any, money saving tips as well. I post all kinds of things on my channel. Still trying to figure out my little niche, but I do have a bookkeeping business, so that's kind of my main thing that I do. And YouTube is kind of just something on the side. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace out. And like I said, check out the link in the description. Peace.